It has been over half a century since humans last journeyed beyond Earth orbit. Now humanity is poised to return to the moon. Artemis II, NASA's first crewed lunar mission in decades, is ready to carry 4 astronauts on a journey that will test the limits of human exploration and lay the foundation for our path to Mars. This is the story of Artemis II. The Artemis program represents NASA's bold vision for the future. More than a mission, it is a promise, a commitment to push the boundaries of science, technology, and human endurance. Following in the footsteps of the Apollo missions, Artemis aims not just to visit the moon, but to build the knowledge and infrastructure needed for a sustainable human presence. The moon is not an end, but a gateway, a stepping stone to Mars and beyond. Why return to the moon? The moon holds the secrets of our solar system and the resources for humanity's future in space. Water ice in permanently shadowed craters, lunar soil, and other discoveries can support life beyond Earth. Artemis 2 is the first step in understanding how humans can live and work on another world, preparing us for the challenges of deep space exploration. Artemis 2 is a historic mission carrying a crew of 4 around the moon for the first time since Apollo 17. Unlike Artemis 1, which tested the spacecraft uncrewed, Artemis 2 will put Orion, NASA's advanced deep space capsule, and the powerful Space Launch System rocket to the ultimate test, carrying astronauts farther than anyone has traveled in 50 years. The mission launched on April 1st, 2026, from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Over the course of 10 days, the crew will journey from Earth, circle the moon, and return safely to the Pacific Ocean near San Diego. Every system on Orion will be evaluated, every maneuver carefully monitored, and every observation recorded for the missions to come. At the heart of this mission are the 4 astronauts who will carry humanity's aspirations into deep space. Leading the mission is Commander Gregory Reed Wiseman from the United States, a veteran astronaut who spent over 165 days aboard the International Space Station in 2014. Wiseman's experience and leadership will guide the crew through every critical moment of the journey. Flying alongside him is pilot Victor J. Glover, Jr., also from the United States. Glover is a decorated astronaut who spent 168 days on the ISS and will be the first black astronaut to orbit the moon. His expertise in spacecraft control and flight operations is essential for the success of Artemis II. Mission specialist Christina Hammercock, another American astronaut, brings her record-breaking experience of 328 days in space, the longest single space flight by a woman to date. She will oversee science operations and system performance aboard Orion, ensuring the mission achieves its objectives while pioneering the path for women in deep space. Representing Canada is mission specialist Jeremy Hansen, who will become the first Canadian to travel beyond Earth orbit toward the moon. A former fighter pilot and CSA astronaut, Hansen will manage mission support and scientific operations, contributing his precision, skill, and discipline to every step of Artemis 2. During the mission, the crew will perform critical system checks, evaluate life support operations, and observe the moon in unprecedented detail. They will navigate the Orion spacecraft around the lunar orbit, test communication systems, and provide real-time data for NASA engineers and scientists, ensuring that every component functions flawlessly in deep space. The journey promises discoveries that will deepen our understanding of lunar conditions. Measurements of radiation exposure, orbit stability, and spacecraft performance will inform future lunar landings and the construction of a sustainable moon base. Each observation brings us closer to living and working on another world. Artemis 2 is not without its risks. The crew will face radiation, equipment challenges, and the extreme environment of space. Yet these challenges are precisely why this mission is essential. It is a proving ground for humans venturing farther than ever before. Beyond the moon, Artemis 2 holds the key to Mars. By testing technology, operational procedures, and human endurance, this mission prepares humanity for its next giant leap. The lessons learned around the moon will shape the first human expeditions to the Red Planet, making the seemingly impossible a reality. Looking forward, NASA envisions a permanent moon base, a place where humans can live and work sustainably while exploring the solar system. Artemis II is the spark that will ignite this vision. Every orbit, every observation, and every decision made by this crew will pave the way for the future of space exploration. As Orion completes its lunar flyby and begins its journey home, the eyes of the world will be upon this small capsule carrying humanity's boldest dreams. Artemis II is more than a mission. It is a testament to human curiosity, courage, and the unrelenting desire to reach for the stars. Will you be there to witness history being written once again?